Hello guys, this is a retake of the Mark 7 GTO. We're just getting the basic wash today though. They replaced the pay station so it's not in Hamilton anymore. Because that one was terrible. That last pay station was terrible. Would not take any money at all. Okay. So here's a look at the menu. And there's the wash again. Alright, so like I said, we're just getting the basic, and it's already saying drive ahead. Alright. Come on. Signaling my phone to go through. Sorry guys, it's just the basic, but it's the best I could do. Air horn. And superior dryers. I actually talked to a representative about this system. Oh, they're so misty, I hate it. Owner actually takes pretty good care of it too. So. Up here in Chippewa Falls, there's a bunch of single touch automatics. Now it's doing the sides. There's a bunch of one bay automatics standalone, so that means that there's no gas station. It's really rare, honestly, but. Oh, this is different. Now it's doing a high pressure. Now it is rinsing. And then there's the door open system. They're actually pretty nice dryers too.
Oh, he's got a lot of pressure. Feel it.
What?
He's got a lot of pressure.
Yeah, I love superior dryers. Too bad they're not open anymore. Sorry. No, superior dryers went out of business. I think so. I believe so. That's what they were talking about on Car Wash Network. And then there's the back of the system. And then, yeah. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.